Okay, so yesterday I had a bit of a difficult day and after that day I needed some color and I've put this amazing pink color on. I also started this one with the rest of the color. And this morning I've got half an hour and I feel like putting some black on top. I don't know if it's going to fit very well, but I feel like doing it, so that's what we're going to do. I have yesterday's palette here. It's still a bit wet, so we can just use that. Take our black. I want a lot of black paint. And a bit of water. And the brush would be good. I've got these two. I think we go with the big one. Mix the paint, the water. Yeah, and then we just go. No idea how it's gonna look. I know that I want some black on top of here. So let's just go. Okay, it looks great. I show you the right way around. Then I turn it. Oh, it looks nice like that as well. Then I turn it to me again. And I want some black here. So we're gonna see if we can get there. Just put it on without much thinking. It's usually a good way to go. So now it's a bit symmetrical. Let's go with this corner. Okay, I want to break this one up a bit, and this isn't perfect, but we're going to start with the corner there. Just break this one up a bit. I'm going to leave this one for today, and we are going to move on to the next one. Okay, next one is this lovely piece I started yesterday, and I'm going to put black on top of there too. It's a bit drastic. That's what I want to do today. So yeah, I think that's, I check from afar, but I think that's it for today. Okay, so these are the bold moves for today. I'm going to leave it to dry, and then more and more layers will follow. I'm really looking forward to seeing what it will turn into at some point. Yeah. Okay, so these black marks obviously took a few minutes of time, so you don't need a whole day or something. Just go for it, do layer after layer whenever you find a few minutes. Go with one color, one brush, and just put it on and have fun. Bye bye!